Hi, and we're working on the last section, dividing integers. And so this is the last section, so it's a short chapter, so you can be prepared for a test on Monday. And everything on the reference spiral needs to be done also. The essential question needs to be completely done in your reference binder by Thursday as you walk into class. But anyways, we're going to go on to example 1, page 244. And it says, find 80 divided by negative 10. And I don't like that setup. It's not very algebraic. And so we're going to just write it as a fraction divided by negative 10. And in here, you see the negative 10 on the bottom. But it doesn't matter if the negative is in the 80 or halfway through or in the denominator. It doesn't matter. So the rules for dividing with negatives are you divide like normal. So let's say drop, divide. It is 8. Now there's one negative, so the answer is negatory. So it's the opposite of 8. And if there would have been 2 negatives, it would have been a positive 8. In the next one, example 2, on page 244 again, they're right next to each other. It says negative 55 divided by 11. And I like this setup much better. It's very algebraic. And we want to move it up. And so there's still, you divide like normal, so the answer is 5. And ask yourself, how many negatives? There's only 1 here, so the answer is negatory. If it's an odd number, the answer is negative. If there's an even number of negative signs, the answer is positive. And number 3, let me see if I can squeeze this in, 244. Example 3, we're going back to chapter 1, and it asks you, use the table to find the constant rate of change in centimeters per hour. And so if you're looking at the chart in the book, it says the hour is 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. So the rate is changing. Hours is 1 hour, and the height changes, goes down by 2 every time. So the change in height is negative 2, and the change in hours is plus 1. So they want to know what is the constant rate of change, and so that would be negative 2 over 1, and that is just a unit rate. So every hour, the height goes down 2. Hope that helped. Make sure you look at number 3 in the book. I expect that done. Thank you.